Well, I'm born in Italy. I study in Switzerland. Then I own restaurants in Washington State for almost 20 years. Because it's a no-end learning. It's a, it's a vast, really a vast domain. And there is a lot involved. It's not just cooking, it's temperature, it's combining spices, creating. It's a lot of imagination, you use when you do food. Oh, here, the fun part about here, I think Texans love to compete with barbecue. Then, I feel it's so big here, then I'm sure you get the best barbecue in the world. And I love to see what people does. Different people, when they tell me the story of the personal family recipes, and I think it's wonderful. I mean, that is one of the meat. Meat is Texas. But also I'm noticing there is a demand, for seafood, fish. Actually, quite a bit, actually, very surprising. Then I do quite a few dishes of salmon, isopod, sea bass, and then I have scallops, oysters, and lobsters. There is really a demand. People really like that here. To me, the best way is to sit on the table, enjoy your time, don't be in a rush, eat slow, have a wine will compensate your food, and just enjoy your evening. But small bite and enjoy every bite.